YWG here, and we're about to approach one of our first frosts. It's supposed to be 41 degrees tonight, and I have a bunch of peppers in the yard, and the peppers are tropical plants. So I'm going to show you how to overwinter, because in this climate, zone 7 DMV, these take forever to grow. So I'm going to pull this puppy up right here, and I'm going to show you what I do to overwinter. Knock off all the dirt, expose the roots, and what I'm looking for is I'm looking for any kind of bugs or mites or whatever clings to the roots, and I'm making sure I clean it as best as I can. Yes, that's what I'm looking for right there. So if you want to get a jump on the next year, your peppers grow slow, this is one way you can assist with that. This is called overwintering. So I have some cocoa coir. Pop it in there. And of course this is going in the house. But before it goes in the house, I'll show you what I do as far as overwintering. Okay, this part right here is going to be brutal for the weak at heart. This ain't going to make it. What I want to do is I want to keep a V. This is kind of a weird one because it has this in the middle, but you want to keep a V shape. And what's going to happen, I'm going to put it in the house, water it maybe to the point where it's not crazy dry, but just keep it moist. And I'm going to put it in like a window with not that much sun. I've done this before, and I actually had a pepper for over 3 years. And when I had over 3 years, it started getting this woody consistency right like this, almost like a tree. And then once it started warming up, I started getting buds from the side, and then next thing you know, it bushed out. So if you want to get a jump on the following year, your peppers take forever to grow, this is the best method that I recommend. Perfect for overwintering. You want to make sure you get all the leaves. So now I just got to throw a label on it and start the rest of my peppers. All this can go in the compost. This right here, I could probably mix this with eggs. So see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Overwinter.